Best gift: Amarto coffee warmer, candle wax cup, heating plate, office home use, auto on-off, gravity induction, up to 131 F55C. Maintain optimal temperature and energy saving, warm up your drink up to 140-60 all day. Perfect gift choice, stylish design, compact size, perfect for office or study desk, a great gift for your significant others on Valentine's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, birthdays and other special occasions to show you care. Easy to use, put the mug plug-in socket. With 2 temperature options available for your reference, please press the on-off button, then choose the blue light for lukewarm, 104-113, 40-45, or the red light for hot, 131-140, 55-60. It will warm up your drink to as high as 140-60 in 2 minutes or less. Safely release candle scent. This electric candle warmer allows you to enjoy the fragrance of your favorite candles without burning them. The jar candle warmer warms them up, so their scent is released into the air with no flame. A suitable mug: we suggest using a flat and thin bottom mug for the best performance than a concave bottom. Placing a lid over the mug will also help retain heat. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.